Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Lovas. I miss y'all so much. I just wanted to pop on and say hi and hope that you all are having a good time with your families. I might look a little different today, and that's because I'm wearing my science goggles here that I have. I kind of miss doing science experiments with y'all, so I decided I wanted to do one today. You can just watch and enjoy, or maybe you want to try this at home with your family. It can be a little messy, so make sure mom and dad are on board if you do decide to do it. Okay, so the science experiment that we're going to be doing today involves a big liter of Coke, a 3 liter of Coke, and Mentos. Mentos is a little peppermint candy that you can get at the stores. That's all we need. We're going to be doing a chemical reaction. We love chemical reactions. We do a lot of them. So remember what that is? Chemical reaction. When you mix two products or materials together and then something comes out of that. So we're going to see what happens when we do that. So I took the Mentos out and I needed a type of tube. So I made a tube out of paper. I just rolled it up and taped it together with a hole big enough for the Mentos to go through. Now I'm going to put my hand underneath this tube and pour, one by one, drop the Mentos into the green tube like this without letting go. Okay, so now I have a 2 liter of Coke and my tube of Mentos. The candy is in here in this paper. So I'm going to take my top off of my Coke bottle, and then on the count of 3 I'm going to pinch this until I say 3, and on 3 I'm going to drop the Mentos into the little hole here, and then I'm going to run a little bit or back up, because if everything works out the way it should erupt and make a little chemical reaction. So 1, 2, 3. So that was our science experiment for today. Hope y'all enjoyed it.